Hi, everyone. Thank you for joining us at OVH Cloud Ecosystem Experience. During this session, we are going to discover how one of our customers, MyAssoc, has enriched its offer over the time to become a reference in the volunteer sector. I'm Guillaume Gojard, Product Manager Web at OVH Cloud. I'm going to share with you the story of MyAssoc, their journey, their challenges, and how they build a nice platform, impactful for everyone. I'm happy to welcome you, Cyril, here.
Thank you very much, Guillaume. I'm Cyril Boisiz, the manager of the MyAssoc platform. It all started in 2007 when Jackie Taffin, member of a charity organization, Lions Club, decided to create a platform for handling all his administrative tasks for his association. The motto was to drastically reduce administrative time for turning it to effective volunteer hours. In 2014, due to a severe health condition, he decided to create a dedicated company and choose a non-profit economic model for guaranteeing the sustainability of the project and sharing it with every other association. Jackie Taffin died in 2019, and his friend Franck Vallée, founder of Initiative DMP, decided to acquire and continue the MyAssoc project. Initiative offers turnkey solution, fundraising solution to more than 40,000 associations every year. Most of the school and high school parent association in France organizes at least one action within Initiative every year. Initiative has a strong focus on charity through its foundation for education and Initiative Cœur, a boat running all major sailing races. With the action One Click, One Heart, Initiative gives to Mécénat Chirurgie Cardiaque €1 per like on their Facebook page for funding heart surgeries. So far, more than 200 children were saved. So, building such a platform raised several challenges. First of all, we needed to keep it simple. Most of our users are over 55. They aren't computer experts at all, and they mostly use phone, tablets, and sometimes computer. The platform should come to the member, not the other way around. We needed to create a secure platform, a system that has enough protection for public usage. All data needed to be centralized in the cloud and safely stored within the respect of law and regulations such as the GDPR. The association personal data are basically the exclusive property of the association. MyAssoc does not make any use whatsoever. Another challenge was to create a collaborative platform where each association, even if they're independent, can be part of a larger organization. They can have multiple usage of the same information at different levels. Each feature must be accessible to a given member depending on its responsibilities in the association. Last but not least, we didn't have the expertise for hosting or system administration, and we didn't want to invest a lot of money in it. So we needed to find the right partner that could provide us this expertise. So we found OVH Cloud. First of all, we needed to find a European partner, even French, so that was perfect. OVH Cloud started as a shared hosting initiative in a student room by Octave Klaba. So we share a common DNA on participatory project. We needed an agile partner that can propose us and assist with innovative solution at every time. And last but not least, as I said earlier, we need a partner that has the right expertise and savoir-faire in hosting millions of websites. So we found the perfect matter for us. Naturally, we faced several challenges from one association to many. First of all, we needed to provide an answer to the different needs. An association needs to communicate efficiently. So we automated the association website, Facebook posts, and all their newsletter mailings. We helped them in organizing events. their activity projects, the volunteering hours management, online ticketing with credit card processing. A big challenge for association is always the finance management. So we created a full accounting solution with automated memberships processing, invoice, online payment. We've given them an ability to track meeting histories by sending meetings invitation, registration, and meeting minutes. We secure the association memory on the go while the association is working with the system with the full feature processing in the cloud. And naturally, we now propose them to work together, and we've seen that with the COVID, with an online group instant messaging and video conferencing.
Our catalog is really wide. With the package we propose, we have the performance offer, which is full of features. Web server, domain names, and also many stuff included, like a huge storage, like 500 gigabytes to host your files, plus also some detailed statistics and logs to make sure what is good while working in your web server. We also have a huge set of availability and security included to protect yourself, like anti-DDoS, but also certificates to secure your hosting properly, and also a very nice fallback mechanism in any case you have an error on your server. No need to worry about the web server. We monitor it 24/7, so you don't have to wake up at night. In addition to that, MyAssoc has been using also private SQL database, which enable them to have an unlimited number of databases that they can use for their own project. Cyril has been building a huge platform with the team, and they make a great usage of the API. All our features are available through APIs, which ease you if you want to integrate with anything else. And in the future, I heard they're also going to use one of our public products called object storage, again, to enhance their solution. Cyril, can you tell a little bit about what's going in the future?
Indeed, Guillaume, we have a lot of projects for the future. Right now, we have a mobile app that allows every member of association to check their news, their activities, to register to actions planning, meeting, and access the association directory and calendar. The newly released version of the mobile app will also include a fully GDPR-compliant instance messaging. In the future, we plan to put MyAssoc into an open foundation to allow every using group of association to be sort of co-owner of the project. But we have many other projects to answer every association and NGO's needs.
Okay, what's next? So this was a really incredible journey with us. It's amazing to see that after 5 years, you are still using our solution. And I'm really happy about that. It confirms the effectiveness, the easiness, about our solution. If you don't have any skills, you can start building amazing stuff. If you do have skills, you can continue working and elaborating really nice projects. Our solutions are also really performant. See, the numbers are talking about themselves. MyAssoc has started with few users, less than few hundreds of associations working with their solution. It's been scaling up over the time. And now they are able to move from 500 associations to 400 of them in the near future. It will represent around 100,000 users that will use that platform daily. And an amazing lesson learned from this history is also another point. It's not mandatory for a little company, a startup, to be using the cutting edge technology. Why? Because as you can see, with reliable products, it's possible to scale, grow safely. They have been using solutions that enable them to focus on what they wanted to deliver, what they wanted to achieve. With that success, they were able to think about the next steps, safely, not being concerned about technology issues. And this is really important when we see the number of startups that are just dead after a few months or a few years. Last thing is, I am pretty sure MyAssoc, now with Initiative DMP, is not going to stop there. I think that France was a nice playground, but Europe could be also a nice place to extend, and why not at the international? And I will be really happy with OVH Cloud to continue working with all the MyAssoc team for that future. Thank you. A big, big thanks to MyAssoc team. And thank you, Cyril, for sharing this story with us.
You're welcome, Guillaume. It was a pleasure. And thank you to all OVH Cloud teams for supporting us and helping us for all these years.
Thank you to everybody for attending. And we will be really happy now to have a live chat with you.